friends! So as you know, this week we have been talking all about trying our best and trying new things and not being afraid to do that. So we read the story The Little Engine That Could, which is about, as you know, is about a little train who thought he couldn't make it up the hill because it was really, really hard. And everyone else thought he wouldn't be able to make it either. But he kept saying, I think I can. And he made it. So for our STEAM activity, we are going to learn to make this little train engine. So some of the materials that I have found around my house that I will be using for my train are a toilet paper roll, a box that I have cut in half, cotton balls, 4 bottle caps that are about the same size, and another bottle cap that's a little bit taller, markers to decorate our train. I will be using a hot glue gun, but you guys can use white. Okay, so now I have colored my toilet paper roll and my half of a box. Paint might be a little better, but I just used what I had on hand. Materials that I had were my markers. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this on top of the train because this is where the conductor sits. Now remember, the conductor is the person who drives the train. Now I have glued the engine room on where the conductor sits. So I'm going to glue on the part where all the steam comes out. All right, I've glued on my smokestack, which is where all the smoke comes out from the top of the train. And so I'm gonna put on the wheels. Okay, so we have built our train, but it's super important that we have the smoke coming out of it so that we know it's going. So you can take the cotton balls and stick it in there. And there's your train. All right, my friends, well, this is my train engine. I would love to see pictures of yours. So go around your house, find different materials that you can build your train with. If you want, you can make a long train. You can use different colors, different materials, anything that you can find. And I would love to see pictures of them. Bye, friends. Choo choo.